Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you a very interesting security API by Hillbyte. The name of this API is CORS scan, and what this API does is it shows you CORS misconfiguration on a website. So what CORS is cross origin resource sharing, and this enables websites to access resource from another URL that is not part of the website's URL. So cross-origin resource sharing enables a URL to access resources from another URL. And this can create different problems. For example, if an external URL is vulnerable, attackers can take advantage of that vulnerability and use it against the main URL. So what this API does, it helps you check those misconfigurations. You can use this as a website administrator to prevent CORS vulnerabilities in your website, or as a penetration tester to check if a website has insecure CORS policies. Let's check this out. So to start using this API, come over to rapidapi.com/organization/Hillbyte, and under the published APIs you find CORS scan. Just click on that and come over to pricing to start using this API for free. So if you scroll down to request body, I have an example here, livejasmine.com, and let's just test this. If you want to use this code outside of Rapid API, you can just select any code format here, then just copy that code and use it in your own software or your scripts. Let's try this out. So we have our results here, and this website has misconfigured cross-origin resource sharing policies. So we can see that this domain trusts any subdomain. So you can put in a malicious subdomain as the origin and use that to attack the main domain. So this is a very good example of a bad cross-origin resource sharing policy, and this is a very good API to check for those misconfigurations. So this has been CORS scan by Hillbyte. If you enjoyed this video and if you learned something from this, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions about this, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to follow our LinkedIn page, Hillbyte. I'll leave a link to that in the description below. And that will be all for today. Hope you're having a great day. Bye.